Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai i30 stock number 6946. It's ran from the 1st 2015 to the 4th 2017. It's a D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch Factory America tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch Factory America tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch Factory America tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.